Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious churros. First, let's prepare the dough. Combine 1 cup of water, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt in a saucepan. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil. Then, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour all at once, stirring vigorously until a smooth ball of dough forms. Cook for about 1 to 2 minutes to dry out the dough, then let it cool slightly. Next, we'll get ready to fry. Beat 2 large eggs into your cooled dough, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. This creates a smooth, pipeable batter. Load your dough into a piping bag fitted with a large star tip, like an Attico 826. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pipe 4 to 6-inch strips of dough directly into the hot oil, cutting them with scissors. Now let's achieve that perfect golden crisp. Fry the churros for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Be careful not to overcrowd the pot, frying in batches if necessary. Once fried, use a slotted spoon to remove them and place them on a wire rack or paper towels to drain any excess oil. While still warm, toss them generously in a mixture of 1/2 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Finally, it's time to enjoy your homemade churros. Serve them warm, as this is when they are at their absolute best, crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. They pair wonderfully with various dipping sauces. Consider a rich chocolate sauce, a creamy caramel, or a sweet dulce de leche. A light dusting of powdered sugar can also add a lovely touch. These delightful treats are perfect for any occasion, bringing a taste of joy to your table.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.